Hi everybody, it's Marsha from Close to Home in Glastonbury with our November block. Ta-da! And I can hear the cheers. I think it fits in with the rest of the blocks. It was a little interesting. So I'm going to start with, on your sheets that you'll pick up with your block, you will see all your cutting, and Mark's gonna just kind of, whatever you do, zoom in. And you're going to use the pieces that you cut to make 4 half-square triangles with It's a Breeze and your second choice. Then you're gonna make 8 with your second choice, which mine is the green, and your background. The next part is you need to make 4, and I'm going to cut in front of you, Mark, 4 of the flying geese. So to make the flying geese, you're going to, pardon that I have to, stop in the middle. This would be two-sided. Just use your imagination that this is the double-sided. And you've drawn a line down the middle, and on each side you're going to sew 1/4 inch. You can either make a line to sew with, or you can use your 1/4 inch, and you're going to sew 1/4 inch on each side of that center block. And you're going to cut down the center of the block, and then you have 2 halves, and when you iron it open, I'll pin it back up so it'll look a little better. This is what it'll look like, but it'll be nice and flat because you'll have ironed it open. You then take another one of the squares, put it on the corner into the middle of the 2 that are up, and you're going to mark your center line, and you again are going to sew the 1/4 inch on both sides. So once you do that, you cut down the middle, and then when you fold it back to iron it on your seam, you're going to have a geese, a flying geese. And because you cut it here and you fold this one open, you're going to make 2 flying geese and 2 flying geese. And then you'll get your 4 flying geese that you need for your block. Next we have the center. And the center is best if you lay it out on the diagonal, just as your picture will show you on your papers that you'll get with the block. By sewing the middle 3 blocks together, then sewing each end together, and then sewing your background corners, it will come out like a square. But it is finished looking on the diagonal. So you're going to put your half square triangles together with your flying geese and make 2 rows that look like this. Yep. And then 2 rows that look like this. You then sew each of these to the block, and that will measure 12.5. And these strips are also 12.5, and then you sew them to the top and the bottom to complete the block. Right. And I think it's a great block. I do. I really like it. So I hope you do too. The kits are available starting Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. anytime that we're open, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. I know, like myself, it's only going to be my husband and I, but have a safe and happy holiday. The December block will come out right after Christmas. Christmas is the last weekend of the month, but we're going to start where the kits will be available, and the video will be out on the Monday after Christmas. So thanks everybody for tuning in. As always, if you have any questions, please call me at the store. And I'm going to run and get Cheryl because we have something else to show you. I went and got Cheryl, so she's going to come over, and I'm going to put my mask on. So she's going to social distance.
We're socially distanced. So I'm here to talk to you about our new program that we're doing with Moda. It is called My Favorite Color is Moda. It is kind of like a block of the month. You make this quilt with 10 solid fabrics. And the way it works is you're going to buy your kit in January, and you'll get all your fabrics and all the patterns in January, and then through the year, January through November, Marsha and Janet in Southington are going to walk through the blocks every month. And the blocks range anywhere from I think 36 inches to 9 inches. So there's a big variety. We're doing it in 2 different colorways. We're doing it in one that's called, what's this one called, Marsha? Do you remember?
Primrose Garden.
Primrose Garden. And the other one is called
Coastal Cool. And guess what color is Coastal Cool is in?
Blue. Yep. So Coastal Cool and Primrose Garden are the 2 colorways that we're doing. So again, you buy an entire kit that runs about $125. You'll get about 11 yards of fabric, 10 different solids. You'll get all the patterns right up front. You can work along with us doing a block a month from January to November, and then in December is the assembly. Or you can just go ahead and you already have the fabric and the pattern. You could make everything and finish it by the end of January. You can sign up. You can either stop in the store and sign up with us, or you can go on our website, and under our classes we have these both listed, and you can just order a kit online. So again, this is a program that we're doing with Moda called My Favorite Color is Moda. So we hope you join us.
And it has nothing to do with the regular monthly block.
It does not have anything to do with the regular monthly blocks. We'll still be continuing, especially yours, online come January. So Marsha's shaking her head, sure. So take a look at it. You can come in. We have the book. We have a poster up. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving.
Thanks.
See ya.
Bye.